In this video guide, we'll walk you through the process of managing social media integration within your website's admin area. Let's explore the steps to seamlessly connect your website with popular social platforms. Begin by logging into your website's admin area. Then, find the Modules tab and click on Socials. Here, you'll discover the tools necessary to seamlessly integrate social media platforms into your website. Click on the Insert button to incorporate social modules into your website. Choose from a variety of popular social platforms, including Google, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube, Amazon, and PayPal. Each platform offers unique integration options tailored to your needs. Once integrated, you have the flexibility to edit or delete these social modules based on your requirements. Click on the corresponding buttons to make necessary changes. When editing a social module, explore the Authorization tab. Here, you can set up essential parameters like Client ID and Client Secret, ensuring secure and seamless integration with the social platform. Navigate to the View tab to enhance the appearance of your social media links. Customize the social URL, CSS class, and social image to align with your website's design and branding. By following these steps, you'll seamlessly connect your website with popular social platforms, creating a dynamic online experience for your users. Thanks for watching and happy integrating!